So guys, let's create a new project. Tap on top left button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our sample project. Make sure the clip is not selected. Go to filter, adjust, saturation. Reduce it down to -50. Then go to curve, tap to place a point. Then drag the point for the sweet spot. Now go to effect, retro, retro dust. Tab hold to apply the effect. Tab on the edge and select video end to cover the full video. Confirm it and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.